Welcome back to Certi4. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create on-chain attestations of your verified crypto statements using EAS. We'll start with attesting a verified PDF, then explore the new attestations menu. Let's dive in. Refer to our previous tutorial video linked on the screen where we generated a crypto statement. I'm starting from where we left it at with my MetaMask and Phantom wallets connected. I then click to export my verified crypto statement PDF as in our previous tutorial. It now triggers a menu to attest our verified PDF statement. Perfect. Now let's create an on-chain attestation. Scroll down to the Attest Verified PDF section. First, upload your newly verified PDF using this button. Certi4 will compute the PDF hash and validate it matches your current statement. See the verified PDF hash appears here. Now select your attesting wallet from the drop-down. I'll use my connected MetaMask address. Then select the network. We'll make this attestation on the Ethereum testnet. Then leave the recipient address empty for self-attestation, or enter another address for third-party attestation if needed. I'll leave it empty for this example. Click Attest Verified PDF and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. This creates a content hash attestation on the Certi4 testnet using EAS. Let's wait for the transaction to be validated on the blockchain network. Once the attestation is created, the Download Attestation PDF button becomes active. Click it to generate an attestation PDF with a link and QR code linking to your on-chain attestation. This PDF illustrates your verified statement was attested on the blockchain at a specific time. Let's look at it on the EAS Explorer. You can see your attestation's UUID, the hash of your PDF document, the attester address, and the recipient address if you input a different one. Now let's upload the verified PDF statement file here to verify its hash. Et voila! The hashes match, which confirms your verified PDF hash is attested on-chain. Now let's explore the new attestations page. Click on the attestations menu in the header. This opens the dedicated attestations page. Connect your MetaMask wallet using the Connect Wallet button. You'll see the attestation creation form. Select Content Hash from the drop-down. This attestation type is for any document verification, similarly to what we just did with the verified PDF statement attestation. For file attestation, upload any document or enter a bytes 32 hash value manually. Choose your network. I'll use Certi4. As mentioned before, you can enter a recipient address if needed. Then click Make Attestation to create the on-chain record. Once the transaction is validated, it appears on the attestation table below. You can also download the attestation PDF with QR code for verification, as we did previously. Note that you can click on the Fetch Attestations button to load the attestations made with your connected address. The table shows the address, attestation type, network, and unique attestation UID. Click any of the links to view the data on the Blockchain Attestations Explorer. That's it. You've mastered Certi4's attestation features. Create immutable, verifiable proofs of your crypto statements or any documents on the blockchain. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and comment what attestation types you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.